Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we put sounds together to make words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the very first sound in a word, then I'm going to say all the rest of the sounds, and I want you to put them together. So here's my first word. Ouse. Put them together. Ouse. Ouse. What's my word when you put those sounds together? Mouse. I hope you got it. Oh, I forgot to give you a clue. Silly me. They're all animals. I hope that helps. Okay, here we go with the next one. Ready? K, at. K, at. One more time. K, at. What's my word? Oh, cat. I hope you got it. Okay, here's the new one. Arc. Arc. One more time. Arc. Put the sounds together. What's my word? Did you get it? A shark. Okay, now we have og. Og. One more time. Og. What is it? Aw, dog. Okay, let's do oat. Oat. So put those sounds together. Oat. Did you get it? It's a goat. And this is our last one for today. Skunk. Skunk. One more time. Skunk. Is this one hard for you? Let me just give you a clue. It's stinky. One more time. Skunk. I hope you guessed that it's a skunk. All right. See you next time. Thank you for coming and joining me.